Chapter 6. Heat and Energy. Learning Objectives. Understanding heat as an energy form. Understanding temperature and its relationship with heat energy. Anomalous expansion of water. Greenhouse effect and global warming. Energy. Renewable and non-renewable energy sources. Energy from renewable sources, biomass. Need for harnessing solar energy. Wind energy. Hydroelectric energy. Energy from the sea or ocean, tidal energy. Geothermal energy. Nuclear energy. Fossil fuels. Emerging patterns of energy consumption in India. Environmental consequences of energy consumption. Understanding heat as an energy form. Heat is a type of energy that is responsible for the sensations of warmth or coolness we experience. For instance, when we immerse our finger in hot water, we feel warmth because heat energy is being transferred into our finger. Conversely, touching a block of ice brings a sensation of coldness due to heat energy flowing out of our finger. These sensations are indicators of the direction in which heat energy is moving into or out of our body. The total heat energy in an object is the combined kinetic and potential energy of all its molecules. According to the kinetic theory of matter, heat energy is essentially the sum of kinetic and potential energies within the molecules of a substance. Units of heat. Heat, being a form of energy, shares the same units as other forms of energy. The Standard International (SI) unit of heat and energy is the joule, J, with the smaller CGS, centimeter-gram-second system, unit being the erg. 1 joule is equivalent to 10 power 7 ergs. Another common unit for measuring heat is the calorie. 1 calorie is defined as the amount of heat energy required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius. In larger quantities, heat is often measured in kilocalories kcal, where 1 kilocalorie equals 1000 calories. The relationship between calories and joules is such that 1 calorie approximately equals 4.186 joules, often rounded to 4.2 joules.